Hello everybody. Now I am going to show you how to use trim and extend command in SolidWorks. So let's begin. Okay. To apply this one, at first I need to draw a rectangle. So just at first I have drawn a rectangle. So this is my rectangle, and randomly I need to draw some lines. Okay. So there are so many lines, and only the lines those are inside the rectangle are necessary for me, and the excess lines, the lines outside the rectangle, I don't need. So I need to erase the lines outside the rectangle. So that's why at first I will select the object, and then here it is trim command, so I will select trim at first. So trim, and then I will just select the lines outside the rectangle. Just select. So select one by one. Okay, so just select. Okay. So here we seen how to use the trim command. Okay. So also there are so many lines. So if you want to delete some other lines, some other portions, you can also apply. So for this one, again select the object and select trim command, and just select which portion you want to delete. So just select this portion. Now again select this portion. So if you want to delete this one, just select this portion. Okay. So this is actually the application of trim command. So if you want to apply the extend command, again I'm going to draw a rectangle. So it is my rectangle, and just I am drawing some lines, not complete lines, half lines. Repeat line, repeat line, so repeat line command, repeat line command. So there are some small lines, so I want to make these lines bigger. Suppose this one up to this line, or up to this line. So I want to make this line up to this line, up to this boundary. So for this enlarging the lines, at first I will select the object, then I will select the extend command. So select extend command. Now select the lines you want to extend. At first select this one. So select this one. Also select this one, and also select this one. Okay. So they are extended. So if you think that you want to again make it larger, bigger up to this one bigger up to this one, so again select this one, then select the extend command. Now select the lines, also select the lines, and this is how we can actually apply extend command. So I hope you have understood how to use the trim and extend command, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Thank you.